Yes, it is Fabfitfun Spring 2022 unboxing. This is not PR or sponsored or anything. I do pay for this. The cost of the box, if you pay seasonally, is $49.99 per box, or you can pay annually for a total of $179.99, and that is for 4 boxes. So you save a little bit of money per box. Okay, to avoid the noise, I'm going to take out, this is the packaging. And just kind of keep in mind, if you are interested in subscribing to the Fabfitfun box, I can save you some money. I do have a link down below, and that will save you $10 on your first box if you sign up for an annual membership, and I get some credit too. And if you're an annual member, you do get to pick your items earlier than the seasonal members. But I will say I'm an annual member, so I got my box early too, and I signed on just a couple hours after the customizations opened, and I was shocked. This time there were things already sold out that I wanted, and I was just shocked. It was like 2 hours at the most after it opened, so you gotta be fast. My first item that I picked was, this is a Morgan Lane robe. It is they came in regular and plus size. I am a size 16 usually, and so I did get the plus size. Very pretty. It's like a silky unlined, very nice. I have some cozy ones that I had gotten from Fabfitfun in previous boxes, but I didn't have a satiny robe, and I thought the color is nice for when I do some masking. Very, very nice. It is 100% polyester. I will give you the total of the box, the value of the box at the end. But do you know what the retail on this is? $198. It's nice, but would I spend that? No. Oh, and I should say that with every box, you do usually get a HelloFresh coupon, which every time I say maybe I'm going to try it, and I never do, but one of these days I want to try one of those type of services, and a wine cellar. And again, if I don't really drink wine that much, so if you're interested in this, let me know, and I can, is there a code? Yeah, you can scratch it off and then you get a code, so let me know. This is a Spotlight Oral Care. And there are many, many options that you can have if you want to see what the other choices were per customization. I'll link that video up here and down below. And that one I went through before customizations opened. I went through all the spoilers. Fabfitfun is nice that they do, well, usually they give you all the spoilers so you know exactly, but this time when they opened, there was actually a few things that were not on the spoiler list. But this is Spotlight Oral Care. And I've done a couple whitening programs before, but I've never used, this is a teeth whitening pin. And I've always, when they do the add-ons, I've always thought, maybe I want to try this, but I never have. Okay, it kind of looks like, the concealer pins. It kind of looks like that. So it's just like a brush. Okay. And then we have a comforting gum oil, and also some teeth whitening strips. So I've never tried this brand. And you know what I realized as this came? I thought, I have not done an update on what I've used out of my boxes. I've been getting this for over a year, and I don't think I've ever done an update. So let me know down in the comments if you would like, when it comes in like this cute little bag, and it's created by Dentist. Let me know down below if you would like to see an update on either the makeup, you can say makeup update, skincare update, or both. If you would like to see an update on previous items, or you can say no update. This kit has a retail value of $69, and it is female founded. Oh, and we did get some stickers. There's always a magazine that goes along with the box. It used to tell you exactly each customization and what the value of each item was, but now it just kind of goes more into detail of the items in the box. and like some recipes and quizzes and that kind of thing. This is Kate Spade earrings. I'm happy with these. I wasn't sure like how small they would look on my ear, but these are really pretty. And they come with a nice little pouch here. They have a retail value of $32. I think that we should just put them in, right? And see how they look on. I'm trying to update my jewelry collection because years ago, I worked at Claire's corporate headquarters, and there I picked up a lot of costume jewelry, and you know, surprisingly, some of it is still not tarnished. Like, I don't know how that can be, because I think I last worked there, I want to say in 2007, I think. But yeah, some of it's still not tarnished. But you know, it's just, I don't know, my tastes have changed, and some of it I feel like is kind of too young for me, or I don't know. So I have to do soon a declutter and get rid of some of that, and so that I can kind of update my jewelry collection. But oh, I like these. Yeah, I wasn't sure, like I said, how they would look on, because you know, I want some dainty jewelry because a lot of my jewelry isn't. I mean, recent purchases is, but so I wanted some, but I didn't want it to be too dainty. But yeah, I really like that. Okay, customization number 4. And also, not all customizations are open to seasonal members. Annual members get to pick each customization slot they get to pick, but seasonal usually doesn't get to pick the last couple. This is the Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Body Butter. And I am so interested to try this because years ago, my sister, my mom, and I all used this. We bought it off QVC, and I think I've probably went through like 2 containers of this. But it's been a while since I've purchased it, and I am interested to see if it is as good as I remember. Because sometimes, you know, things, when the company gets bigger, sometimes the quality isn't still there, sometimes it is still there. But when I bought it, you know, like she was fairly new kind of on QVC. This has a retail value of $38. It is made in the US. Before she created this line, Josie was actually a model and an actress. She was a spokeswoman also for Maybelline for 10 years before she created it. This is Sweet Citrus is the scent. I'm thinking like when I ordered it, I don't even know if there were different scents. Can't remember. All right, next customization. This is the Earth Harbor Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask, Red Seaweed, and Fruit Enzymes. Well, it looks like jelly. See how it kind of looks like jelly? Oh, I was expecting there to be a thing that you pull off. Oh, it smells like, what is that? Kind of like a sweet citrusy smell almost, and like clean. This has a $40 value. Are you keeping track of the value? Don't worry if not, because I'll add it up for you and let you know at the end. They do have, as you're going through your customizations, a lot of times if you want to add on another item in the customization, you usually can do that for cheaper. And I do have 2 things that I added on, so don't go away yet. This is the new Tropical Sea Skincare Booster Powder. I have never tried anything like this. This is powder that you add to your moisturizer or serum, and you apply it to your clean skin daily. And I have heard that it's good. Vitamin C should be in brown containers away from the light. This has a retail of $55, and it is made in the US. Use globally sourced ingredients. Oh, where's this made? Oh, Earth Harbor. This is also made in the US with responsibly sourced global ingredients. It's nice to see brands mention that if they're global, like responsibly globally sourced. And this is one of the add-ons. This is by Caravan, a Lazy Susan. So this is made in China. I paid $15 for this as the add-ons, but it has a $60 value. So let's open it up. Oh, it feels nice and looks nice. So, whee! Whee! So here is how it looks. And isn't it kind of funny? Do you ever stop and think about things and wonder, why are they called that? Like, why is it called a Lazy Susan? So the general consensus is that the term Lazy Susan first made a written appearance in a Vanity Fair advertising for a revolving server, or Lazy Susan, in 1917. You could pick up their Lazy Susan for $8.50. But the true origins of the name Lazy Susan, unfortunately, are not known. Some say that the term came when Thomas Jefferson invented it in the 18th century, that he called it the Lazy Susan because his daughter complained she was always served last at the table, and as a result, never found herself full when leaving the table. Others that believe Thomas Edison was the inventor said that they believe that he invented the turntable for his phonograph, which later evolved into the Lazy Susan. And that Thomas Edison, he also had a daughter named Susan. And then yet there is some other talk that authorities say that the Susan was simply a common maid name at the time. And since it applied to a self-service gadget, that's where that came from. But there's also talk that it was just a combination of words, that Lazy Susan was just kind of like Black-Eyed Susan or Peeping Tom, Jolly Rogers, just things like that, and that's just where it came from, and that it was a marketing thing. So I just thought that was kind of interesting. And every once in a while I stop and think, like, why is this named that? Do you ever do that? And if you do, like, what items? Is there any that you're like, who came up with that? Why is it called that? Okay, I'm not sure what to think about this. Okay, this was another add-on I paid $15 for. The value is $49. And I have no idea about this. It's this. This is Yoga Wake Up. Okay? It's a pillow. And what does it say about this again? Because I had never seen anything like this. It says, and it comes with a membership from an app. So Acupuncture Deep Dive. Get acupuncture programming featuring movement teacher and energy expert. And so you sign up with this app. And so this is an acupressure pillow. I don't know how comfortable that would be, but I'm going to give it a try. And what comes with it is a 3-month subscription. You get mindfulness sessions for any time of the day, plus bed yoga, 5 to 15 minute guided audio sessions, and on demand anytime, anywhere. So yeah, I haven't done yoga in a long time. I do like when I've done yoga, and I just was fascinated by this and not sure about it. Let me know, have you ever tried anything like this? I don't know. I guess it doesn't feel too bad. I don't know if I'd be like, oh, it's so comfortable. I'm sure there's, different. I don't know how it works. I will try it and let you know. Let's talk money, shall we? The cost of my box, since I'm an annual member, is $44.99. We're going to round it up to $45. And so $45 for the box. And then my add-ons cost $32. I paid for this box $77, and the total value is $541. Yes, that is a good deal. Okay, now let's go back and say if you didn't do any add-ons, what my value would be. $77 into over $500. Awesome. Okay, so $45 for the box, and the value $432. So still a good price. Yay. Love it. And everything that I picked, I would have liked to pick some of the Fenty stuff, or they had an Hourglass one, but overall I was happy with everything. Number one, I wanted to try the Josie. I like these earrings and the Lazy Susan, so even just those 3 for me, I feel like makes it worth the box, let alone the other items. So I'm happy. I needed a robe, so yay. I am happy with my box. It's so funny because I pick out the things, but then you do it kind of far in advance. So then every time the box comes, I'm still like, I never remember always what I ended up picking, but yay, I'm happy with it. Again, let me know if you want to try out Fabfitfun for yourself. Again, there is a link down below, and that will save you $10 off your first box. So I am happy with my box. What do you think about it? Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a good morning, afternoon, evening, whenever and wherever you are that you're watching this. And so yes, very excited. This is seat. And if you haven't already, you can click my face right here, and that will take you directly to the subscribe option. And if you want to see what the Fabfitfun spoilers for this box is, you can click on this video. If you want to see past Fabfitfun boxes, you can click on this or this video. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.